In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to create a dramatic sound effect, a unique transition, or just experiment with a clip in a more creative way. Reversing audio is a very quick feature to use inside DaVinci Resolve. The good news is that you don't need any complicated settings or extra tools to make it happen. Everything you need is already built into the program, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, go to your timeline and find the audio clip that you want to reverse. Make sure you click directly on that clip so DaVinci Resolve knows exactly which piece of audio you want to edit. This part is important because if the clip isn't selected first, the settings you need may not appear correctly. Once the clip is selected, move your attention to the top right area of the interface and open the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where DaVinci Resolve gives you more detailed controls for the item you currently have selected, whether that's video, audio, or another timeline element. If you don't already see it open, just click on it so the panel becomes visible. Inside the Inspector, look for the Speed Change section. This is where you can adjust the playback behavior of the selected clip. Even though many people think of speed controls mainly for video, this section also gives you the option to reverse an audio clip. From there, simply click the reverse direction option. As soon as you enable it, the audio clip will play backward. That's it. The change is immediate, and you can preview it right away in your timeline to make sure it sounds the way you want. A helpful tip here is to play back the clip once after reversing it, just to confirm the effect works well with the rest of your project. Reversed audio can sound very different depending on the original recording, so it's worth listening closely before moving on. If needed, you can always go back into the same setting and turn reverse direction off again. So to recap in a simple way, select the audio clip, open the Inspector at the top right, go to Speed Change, and enable reverse direction. That's the full process for reversing audio in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all you need to do to reverse audio quickly and easily in your project.